Look at a live trading terminal during market hours, and you are hit with a wall of raw speed. Thousands of numbers flashing red and green, ticker symbols moving so fast they blur into a single, overwhelming stream of data. This visual static triggers an immediate psychological response. As lines violently swing up and down, the human brain often oscillates right along with them, shifting rapidly between panic and euphoria. Professional analysts look at this blinding noise and extract order by looking past the individual price ticks to find a broader structure. The extreme complexity of a market chart is often an illusion. Beneath the erratic movement hides a specific three-part taxonomy. No matter how wild the timeline or how volatile the asset, every single market movement can be distilled into just three cardinal directions. Mastering this financial compass is the first layer of defense against the noise. It provides a geometric filter for a landscape that usually feels entirely emotional. The first point on this compass is the uptrend. When we strip away the daily fluctuations of a rising chart, a distinct geometric shape emerges. To qualify as an uptrend, the market must mathematically form a series of higher highs and higher lows. Each peak and valley must sit higher than the last. This direction represents the market's phase of growth and capital accumulation. It occurs when buyers step in with increasing aggression, consistently driving the baseline up. Confirming this stair-step pattern proves the market is pushing forward. It provides the evidence that a temporary dip in price is a minor event within a larger upward trajectory. When gravity takes over, the compass points to the second direction, the downtrend. A failing market still follows strict structural rules. The previous logic is inverted, forming a clean, descending stair-step sequence. Mathematically, a downtrend is defined by lower highs and lower lows. Every peak fails to reach the previous height, and every valley drops further. This phase represents a structured shedding of value. For this trend to hold, sellers must consistently overpower buyers at every attempt to rally. Recognizing the lower low rule helps identify when a market is failing. It clarifies that a brief pause in selling isn't necessarily a sign of a total recovery. The final direction of the compass is the one most frequently overlooked, the sideways trend. Instead of climbing or falling, the market moves laterally in a tight zigzag pattern. The price is trapped between two boundaries. The bottom line is support, acting as a floor, and the top line is resistance, acting as a ceiling. This lateral movement indicates a period of consolidation. The market is catching its breath, stabilizing after a significant move while participants reassess the asset's value. A sideways market is a state of coiled tension. This stalemate builds up kinetic energy that eventually releases when the price breaks out into a new uptrend or downtrend. If we return to that same chaotic chart from the beginning of the video, the data starts to look legible. You can now scan these jagged lines and categorize them into distinct zones: up, down, and sideways. This taxonomy isn't a crystal ball. Identifying an uptrend today doesn't guarantee the market will continue that way tomorrow. Instead, it provides situational awareness. Like a compass in the wilderness, it identifies where you are currently standing, so you can make a choice based on data rather than a guess. In an environment defined by rapid fluctuations, knowing which of these three cardinal directions you are facing is the necessary starting point for any objective analysis.